Today is day 1 of the Camino de Santiago. Good morning. My name is Claudia. This is my winnerless Camino. Just leaving Saint Jean. Walking to Borda this morning, 9 kilometers. The temperature right now is 17 and clear skies. Rain expected, but only later on this morning, so getting an early start. And, of all places, a vending machine, just in case you need a Kit Kat or a Coke Zero. We're about 1.5 kilometers in.
Because you get home and you'll just want to remember it all.
Wow. We're walking through a fairly flat area right now. Wow. The sun's coming up. I didn't put sunscreen on. I should have done that.
I put sunscreen on this morning.
We're gonna stop at the super nice places.
I feel like getting burnt on the first date would be...
Yeah. It's 8:57. Been walking for an hour and 11 minutes. 4.5 kilometers. 3.5 to go. The sun came out and it's pretty hot, so I'm gonna stop up there. This Canadian girl, Dara, I've been walking with, she's going all the way to Orisson's house. So I'm stopping, putting on sunscreen, changing my hat. Wow. And it's been all uphill since we left town. Here we are. That's where I'm staying. Now we're going up this way. Good Lord, I don't know how he's riding his bike up that mountain. Bonjour. Jesus. Tip. When walking uphill, walk on the shoulder. Much easier on your knees. Walking on the road was, my knee was starting to hurt. But walking on the grass, it's much better. Can't get over how beautiful. The temperature, I don't know, it feels quite hot, but maybe 19, but the sun feels strong. Made it to Orisson. It is 9:57. Oops, definitely want this thing. And 2-hour mark. You did it, Sea Rod. This is not where I'm staying for the night, but I'm gonna take a break here. I'm 1 kilometer past us, staying at Borda, but it only opens, I think, at 2. It's 10 o'clock. So this is like a little restaurant, but also somewhere you can spend the night. It books up really far in advance. I chose to stay at Borda. It's one of the newer albergues. And I'm still in France. So I'm gonna take a break, have a coffee, relax. But looks like the rain's coming, so I wanna make it to Borda before it starts raining.
Yeah, I think the hard part is just being able to take 5 weeks at least. Yeah, more off. Yeah.
Ended up grabbing a bowl of vegetable soup. 6 euros. With this view. Okay, that's where I'm staying. And look, as soon as I came across the bend, look, the fog's coming in, and look at the sky. Ooh, I hope Tara made it okay to Roncesvalles. I'm sure she's still on her way, but yeah, storm is coming. So in France, these are the mile markers, the red and white stripes. That's how you know you're on the Camino. Look at the sky. Ooh. This is the entrance upstairs to where the rooms are. He's got solar panels. It's actually not raining now, but it's a bit chilly. And that's where the dining room kitchen is. And he has 2 private rooms where he says the VIPs go. So if you asked for a private room, it would be there. Okay, downstairs is where the laundry room is. He's gonna do our laundry at 4 o'clock. So looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are sharing it, and I think it's 5 to wash and 5 to dry. So we're gonna split the cost. And then he had her put our shoes down here, backpacks here, sticks stay down here. None of this goes upstairs. We put our stuff in that little bin and carry whatever we need upstairs. The rest stays down here. Then out here we have, you can also wash your clothes, seating area. But with this weather, nothing's gonna dry. And then in this building, there's 2 private rooms. The seating area, also not covered. And then there's the kitchen and dining room. But that's gonna open up later. So in here, Laurent is in here. That's the name, the owner of it. And he's also the chef. Apparently we're in for quite a treat.
Have you walked Camino?
Yes.
About 6
Same as
And
he runs a very
but it's a bit, so I'm trying to as I throw it at you. Right?
I used to go to a lot of conferences. South American people.
Wow. And then we moved